In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Tampermonkey in Google Chrome. If you've ever wished a website worked just a little differently, Tampermonkey is the tool that helps you do exactly that. It's a user script manager, which means it lets you run small pieces of code, called user scripts, that customize how websites look and behave. Think of it as a way to add handy tweaks and features on top of the sites you already use. Let's start by getting the extension. Open Google Chrome and head to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Tampermonkey. You should see it listed as the most popular user script manager, with a large user base and strong ratings. That's how you know you found the right one. The icon is a simple black square with two white dots. When you're on the correct page, go ahead and click the blue Add to Chrome button. A small permission box will pop up to confirm the install. Click Add Extension. This step tells Chrome to install Tampermonkey and lets it manage scripts on the pages you visit. The extension itself doesn't change sites on its own. It only does anything when you add or enable specific scripts. After a few seconds, you'll see a notification that the extension was added and its icon will appear among your extensions. To make Tampermonkey easy to reach, click the puzzle piece icon at the top right of Chrome. This opens your extensions menu. Find Tampermonkey in the list and click the pin icon next to it. Pinning keeps the Tampermonkey icon visible in your toolbar so you can get to it quickly whenever you need it. You can unpin it at any time if you want a cleaner toolbar, but keeping it visible is convenient while you're getting started. Now, click the Tampermonkey icon and choose Dashboard. The dashboard is your command center. This is where you add new scripts, enable or disable existing ones, and see exactly what's running. You'll notice a simple list of scripts with toggles and basic controls, so you can experiment safely and turn things off with a single click if something isn't working the way you expect. At this point, you're all set and ready to start scripting. A quick tip before you dive in: only install user scripts from sources you trust. Read descriptions carefully and check feedback from other users. If a page ever starts acting odd after you add a script, just return to the dashboard and disable it. That way, you stay in control at all times. And that's it. Tampermonkey is installed in Google Chrome, pinned for easy access, and you're ready to customize your web experience.